Hello friends, today we will start our 10th chapter of science, that is light reflection and refraction. It is also the first chapter of physics and the most important chapter. I think that all you will be familiar with the term reflection. In this chapter we will more focus on refraction. Now first we will take a brief sketch of reflection. Now first we will see law of reflection. Law of reflection means angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection, that is angle I is equals to angle R. Second is incident ray, normal ray and reflected ray all lie on the same plane. Now we will see mirror. There are two types of mirror, one is concave mirror and one is convex mirror. Concave mirror is bulging inwards and convex mirror is bulging outwards. Now we will see some terms related to the mirror. This will help you further. First is the pole. Pole means the center of reflecting surface is called the pole. It lies on the surface of the mirror and is denoted by P. It means that this is a mirror. Then this is the center of the mirror and this point is known as pole. Now we will see center of curvature. The reflecting surface of a spherical mirror forms a part of sphere. This sphere has a center and is called center of curvature. It is denoted by C and it does not lie on the surface of the mirror. It means that if we imagine, then it will be a full sphere and this mirror is a small part of a sphere. So this sphere will have a center. Suppose this center is here. This sphere will also have a center. This center is here. Then this will be known as center of curvature and it will be denoted by capital C. Now next we will see radius of curvature. Reflecting surface of a spherical mirror forms a part of a sphere and this sphere has a center and is known as radius of curvature. It is denoted by R. Similarly, this sphere also have a radius. Therefore, that will be known as radius of curvature and is denoted by capital R. Now we will see principal axis. Principal axis is a straight line passing through pole and center of curvature and is known as principal axis. It means that this is center of curvature and this is pole. Then this line passing through center of curvature and pole is known as principal axis. Next is focus. Focus means it is a point on a principal axis on which the light ray converges after reflection and it is denoted by F. Focal length, distance between the pole, capital P, and focus, F, is called focal length and it is denoted by small f. Now we will see what is aperture. Aperture means this is a mirror or reflecting surface. We will name A and B. Now this A and B is the aperture of this mirror and there is a formula and this is an important formula given by R means radius of curvature is equals to 2f. 2f means 2 into focal length. Now we will learn how to represent the images on the mirror. First we will learn how to represent an image on a concave mirror. Then we will see what on convex mirror. Now if a line is passing straight through the principal axis, then after reflection it will pass through the focus. Second is if the light ray passing through the focus, then after reflection it will become parallel to principal axis. This arrogance will show the direction of the light. Now third is if the light is passing through the center of curvature, then after reflection also it will go back through the same path. Fourth is if the light directly from fall on the pole, then it will make angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. This is the first law of the reflection. Now we'll learn how to represent an image on a convex mirror. This is pole, focus and center of curvature. इसमें क्या होता है कि जैसे एक रे आ रही है लाइट की, तो उसको अपन उस साइड नहीं जाने देंगे, मतलब राइट हैंड साइड नहीं जाने देंगे, उसको रिफ्लेक्ट करवाएंगे वापस लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में. तो उसको कैसे करवाएं? अपन इमेजिन करेंगे कि वो फोकस पे तो जा रही है, जैसा अपन ने यहाँ लर्न करा था. तो फोकस पे तो जा रही है पर वो डॉटेड लाइन से रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे उसी को डार्क लाइन से वापस स्ट्रेट लाइन बना देंगे, इसी को एक्सटेंड कर देंगे और एरोगेंट से बता देंगे. सेकेंड है एक लाइट रे आ रही है जो फोकस पे हो रही है, वो लाइट रे आएगी तो सिर्फ लेफ्ट हैंड साइड तक ही, बट अपन उसको डॉटेड लाइन से एफ तक ले जाएंगे. उसके बाद जहां उसका कांटेक्ट होगा मिरर से, वहां से वो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड की ओर टर्न हो जाएगी या डेविएट हो जाएगी. थर्ड है अगर एक लाइट रे है वो फॉल हो रही है और उसका डॉटेड लाइन सीधे सी पे बन रहा है, मीन सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर पे, तो वो अगेन उसी पाथ से वापस चली जाएगी. नेक्स्ट है, अगर एक लाइट रे पोल पे फॉल हो रही है तो वो एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस और एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन को इक्वल बना देगी, जो अपना फर्स्ट लॉ था रिफ्लेक्शन का. होप दैट यू अंडरस्टूड दिस ऑल एंड you have learned that how to represent the image of a mirror. Now we will see uses of mirror. First is concave mirror, uses of concave mirror. And this mirror forms the images that you can see and refer to your textbook and page number 166. This is first use is used in torches, searchlights, used in shaving mirror, used in solar furnace, and also used by dentists to see the large image of tooth. And if a light or a torch is placed on the focus, then it will give you a powerful beam of light. Now we will see uses of convex mirror. This image formation you can see on page number 167. First is used as a rear view mirror in vehicles, as it will give you diminished image, so it will cover a large view. It is also used as a safety purpose in malls, used in magnifying. Now we will see new Cartesian signs. First is object must be always placed to the left of the mirror, left hand side of the mirror. All the distances parallel to the principal axis, means this principal axis, are measured from the pole to the mirror, means from here to here or here to this side. Third is distances right to the origin are taken as positive, means right to the pole or right to the origin. This is origin and this is right, so they are taken as positive, and distances to the left of the origin are taken as negative. Now the distances perpendicular or above the principal axis are taken as positive, and distances below or perpendicular to the principal axis will be taken as negative. This is important, so you can take the screenshot. Now next we will learn the formula. 1 by v plus 1 by u is equals to 1 by f. Here v means image distance, means how much far from the mirror the image will be formed. U means object distance, means at how much distance object is placed from the mirror. This will be left hand side and this will be right hand side. Then we will understand what is f. F means focal length. This we have understood earlier only. Next formula is of magnification. Magnification means how much it will magnify or mirror will magnify. It is given by hi upon ho, means height of image upon height of object is equals to minus v by u. V means image and u means object. And this you also can take screenshots. Minus m means if the magnification comes in minus, then the image will be real and inverted. And if the magnification came in positive, then it will be virtual and erect. This can be learned that this is the magnification for mirror. So magnification also stands m, mirror also m. And this minus sign, mirror में हमेशा magnification minus में होगा, ये जरूरी नहीं है. अगर minus में हुआ तो minus मतलब negative, तो image बन जाएगी inverted. And positive हुआ तो बन जाएगी erect and virtual. Now we will understand our next topic, that is refraction. Refraction means when a light travels obliquely from one medium to another, then the direction of propagation of light in the second medium changes. This phenomenon is known as reflection of light. For example, take a beaker and fill with water, then put one pencil. Then the pencil surface below the water will see somewhat different or will be slightly bent, and this phenomenon is known as refraction. There are two tricks. If the refraction is taking place from rarer to denser, means light will bend towards the normal. Example is air to glass. Since we know that air is rarer than the glass, so when a light fall or an image fall from air to glass, the light or the light will bend towards the normal. And it is falls from denser to rarer, then the light will bend away from the normal. If in the same example, if we take glass above and air, so if first the image passes through the glass and then to the air, then it will bend away from the normal. Now, as there are two laws of reflection, there are also two laws of refraction. Firstly, the incident ray refracted ray and normal all lie on the same plane. In the earlier case, this statement is same, but in the place of refracted, it was written reflected, and here refracted. Second is ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the ratio of sine of angle of reflection is constant for a light of a given color and for the given pair of media. And this law is also known as Snell's law. It is given by sin I upon sin r is equals to constant. Next is refractive index. Refractive index means extent of the change in direction that takes place in a given pair of media is expressed in the terms of refractive index. It is given by a formula n is equals to speed of light in air upon speed of light in medium, and this is denoted by c and medium is denoted by v. Now we will learn what is lens. Lens, transparent material bounded by two surfaces, of which one or both the surfaces are spherical and forms a lens. As we have learned the image formation for the mirror, we have to also learn the image formation for the lens. First we will look at the convex lens, then at the concave lens. Firstly, here will be f1 and here will be f2. If the light is passing parallel to principal axis, then it will pass through f2. If a line is passing from f1 and reflecting, then it will become parallel to principal axis. If it is passing through the origin, then it will follow back the same path. In this f1 and f2, if a light is passing parallel to principal axis, then according to the rule it has to pass through the focus, but the light will not go to the right hand side's focus. It will reflect on the same side of focus and we will extend this line. So this, after extending this line, will be the reflected light. Second case, if the light is parallel to f1, if a light is passing through the f1, then it will become parallel to principal axis, and you have to make a dotted line here. Next is if a light ray is passing through the origin, then it will again follow back the same path. Now we will learn the formulas for lens. 1 by v minus 1 by u is equals to 1 by f. This you have to remember that in the mirror formula is 1 by v plus 1 by u is equals to 1 by f, and in lens it is 1 by v minus 1 by u is equals to 1 by f, where v is for image distance, u is for object distance, and f is for focal length. Next is m. M means magnification. Magnification is equals to hi upon hu, means height of image upon height of object, is equals to v by u. V means image distance and u means object distance. And this also you have to remember that in mirror the magnification is equals to minus v by u, but in lens it is positive. Here I am writing lens. These both are for lens. This you can take screenshots. These are also given in your textbooks. This is the last chapter of this. This is the last topic of this chapter. Power of a lens. The ability of a lens to converge or diverge light depends on its focal length, and its definition is power is defined as a reciprocal of its focal length, and it is represented by capital P. You have to remember that pole is also represented by capital P and power is also represented by capital P. Its unit is diameter. Diameter is denoted by capital D. Power is equals to 1 by F. Now we will see what is 1 diameter, or what is the definition of 1 diameter. 1 diameter is a power of a lens whose focal length, F is for focal length, is 1 meter. Two things you have to remember. Power of a convex lens will always be positive since the focal length of convex is always positive, and power of concave lens is always negative since the focal length of concave mirror or concave lens is always negative. Thank you and hope that you understood the chapter and liked the video. So please like and share the video with your friends. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.